You only need 500,000 to own this amazing house in Greenwoods, Pasig. Again? Yes, again guys. So tara, samahan niyo kami. I am RV and we're here in Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig City. So this house stands on a 109 square meter lot area with a floor area of 210. Nandito tayo sa 2-car garage pero ang kagandahan dito, it's covered. So any weather, protected po ang inyong mga sasakyan. So this one, meron siyang, this is the service area pero we'll go there later. Meron pa siyang pa-garden area sa likod. So this is a very nice single detached home. So before heading inside, mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong front garden or front lawn dito sa ating property which gives us a very good vibe. Saka aside from that, syempre, ang lakas makalamig niyan guys, yung maraming puno. So, let's head inside. Yan. So, right upon entering, we have a receiving area dito. Actually, hindi siya sala, pero receiving area kasi we already have a family area upstairs. Pero ang magandahan, you can just put a L-type couch dito para pag may bisita kayo, meron silang uupuan. And then, here is your proper kitchen. So, kagandahan sa kanya, nasa corner. And then, the color palette, yan, it's very nice. It's light brown, so very earthy yung colors ng ating bahay. White, brown, and then you have a lot of greeneries around the property. So, tara, tingnan nyo to. We have a double sink and faucet here. And then, kumpleto rin tayo with the cabinets. Yan, naka-soft close din siya. And then, you also have the under cabinets. And then, of course, meron na tayong 4-burner cooktop na kasama. And then, meron din siyang tawag dito, exhaust fan. Exhaust fan. And then, this is the door going into the service area. Mamaya, puntahan natin yan. So, coming from the kitchen, this is our dining area. So, sa dining area, kahit mga 6-seater siguro, kasyang-kasya dito. Pag 8-seater, kasya pa rin. Medyo tight na lang. Pero ang kagandahan sa kanya, meron kang openable sliding glass door papunta sa ating lanay. We have a lanay area. Yan. So, on our lanay area, pwede kayo maglagay ng maliit na canopy na lang kasi meron din namang bubong pero partially covered siya. And then, pwede kayo maglagay pa ng parang coffee table dito. And then, eto yung kaninang service area natin. Medyo mapuno na siya, di ba? So, you just have to, kumbaga, trim this one. Aside from that, kung gusto nyong palitan, pwede naman. Pero, yan, mahangin siya dahil din sa mga plants natin. And then, on the other side, meron tayong staff room with its own toilet and bath. Nakalock lang yung staff room pero it's good enough for one. Tapos meron din naman tayong bintana for the staff room. Yan. So this is our first, supposedly powder room lang to pero may shower na rin. So under the staircase, toilet and bath na siya. So we have the lavatory, you have the sink and faucet, and then on your left side, meron tayong shower. Napagkasya na yung shower dito. Pasensya na medyo madilim. Kinakabit pa lang yung Meralco natin. Yan. Pero your first toilet and bath is on the ground floor. Coming from the main kitchen, let's head into the service area. Pwede itong maging dirty kitchen nyo. Pwede rin siyang laundry. Dito pwede yung laundry talaga kasi may water supply din dun sa gilid, yung pinanggalingan natin kanina. Kailangan nyo lang ng canopy, pero this one is very spacious. More or less to mga 1.5 meters. And ang kagandahan sa kanya kasi dahil hindi siya nakasagad wall to wall, maganda yung airflow ng property and very good yung kumbaga yung lighting or natural light natin even inside the house. Before heading to the second floor, meron tayong parang tinatago dito. Importanteng everyday details. Meron tayong storage area under the staircase. Pero ang kagandahan sa kanya, hindi halata, di ba? Medyo concealed siya. Kung naririnig niyo yung eroplano, ang kagandahan sa area na to, very accessible going to the airport. So yung mga piloto natin dyan, mga flight attendant, this is a very good home for you guys. Yan, we're here on the second floor. So let's check the first bedroom. You know, luwag. So this is the first bedroom. This house has 3 bedrooms, pero it has actually 4 toilet and bath. So this is the first one. Pag binuksan natin tong mga windows, sarap ng hangin. Lamig. Yan. Better. Walang aircon. It's 11 a.m. pero napakaganda po nung simoy ng hangin. Yan. Size of this bedroom is more or less 3 by more or less mga 12 to 15 square meters. And then you also have the built-in closet, which is malaki na siya, ha? Parang usually dito naman ang kids. Yan. So, you have the built-in closet and then you have the ensuite toilet and bath. Yan. So, maluwag din yung toilet and bath natin. May provision na rin tayo for the water heater. You have the shower here, the lavatory, and then of course your water closet. Meron na rin siyang bidet, which is very important nowadays. Before heading into the master's bedroom, you can see, wala pa po tayong ilaw dito, ha? Pero yung pasok po ng natural light tsaka natural air, basta bukas po yung ating windows, napakaganda. So, ito na po ang master's bedroom. Oh, ha? Diba? Laki. It's very spacious. 3 by 5, more or less to, mga 15 to 18 square meters. Ang kagandahan sa kanya, for a master's bedroom, ang dami niya ng closet. Wala kang walk-in, but para ka na rin naka-walk-in closet nito sa dami ng closet mo. Sarado lang natin to, ha? Ayan. O, diba? Usually naman, isa lang na nagagamit ng mga mister. Diba? Yung sa mga misis, medyo, siyempre, happy wife, happy life. And then, this one, pwede ka pa maglagay dito before heading into the master's toilet and bath. Pwedeng ito yung vanity area natin. So, yan, lalagay lang dito ng vanity mirror or baligtad. So, kaya lang bawal daw yun, nakatapat yung mirror sa pintuan. This is our master's toilet and bath. Yan, medyo mas malaki yung sink natin. And then, meron na rin siyang mirror. And then, of course, your lavatory and the shower. Kulang na lang natin is the glass shower enclosure. Pero the rest, okay na. Maganda yung quality. Yan, may sarili rin siyang windows. Yun yung kagandahan dito sa property na to. Alaga sa windows. So, maganda yung pasok ng swerte. Ito ang ating master's balcony. This is a wrap-around balcony. So, sobrang useful pa nito kasi ang luwag na ng balcony mo, usually dito na nagtatapos yung balcony. Pero with this one, meron pa tayong extra area dito. O, di ba? Ang luwag nito, guys. So, tas napakaganda rin ng likuran mo. Wala masyadong bahay. Dito, napakarami pang pwedeng gawin. Pwedeng nandito yung treadmill nyo, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng canopy. Kung mahilig kayong mag-workout, dito yung workout area nyo. Kung mahilig naman kayong mag-chill, pwede ring chill area to. Di ba? Lagyan nyo lang siya ng turf grass para mas maganda. Third floor, let's go! Yan. So, ang kagandahan, even this staircase is very well thought of kasi meron ka pa rin wooden handrails, paakyat, pababa, para sa ating mga elderly. O, di ba? So, tara, check natin yung third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Yan. Napakaluwag niya. Makikita nyo naman. Meron din siyang built-in closet here. And then you have your toilet and bath. Pero for this toilet and bath, dalawa yung double door siya. Dalawa yung pinto. Yan. Maluwag to. Maluwag tong toilet and bath na to kasi connected to doon sa ating family area. Yan. O, diba? Napakaluwag nito. Yung previous client namin that check this property, ang isa namin naging suggestion was gawin na itong third floor na master's bedroom buo. Ang laki kasi nito. Yeah. So this double door, ito yung ating family area. Pero covered siya, 'di ba? Napakaganda. Napakalaki ng potential of this place. Pwede itong i-enclose, lagyan nyo lang ng sliding glass door, di ba? Pwede rin naman naka-open kasi mas maganda yung simoy ng hangin. Pero ang isa pang option, pwede nyo itong gawing master's bedroom kasama yung kabila, yung third bedroom as your walk-in closet. Kung mahilig po kayo sa ganon, you want to have your own walk-in closet, Yan, pwede natin gawin ganun. Luwag to, siguro mga 20 square meters tong area na to. And then this one is the sliding door. Yan, going pabalik doon sa ating parang staircase. Yan. So, ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang part dito sa property na to. This area, ito yung bago lumabas doon sa ating yung family area natin sa third floor. Pero ito, napakalaki pa ng pwedeng maging gamit na to. Pwedeng ito yung study area ng inyong mga kids. Parang library, or kung kailangan nyo ng workstation at home, this can be a very good option for you. May sarili kang windows, kung kailangan mo ng AC, mag-AC na lang somewhere here. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi nyo naman kailangan ng AC. Maybe a small fan. Pag binuksan kasi ito, napakaganda na po ng airflow natin. And then, eto na ulit yung ating family area. O, di ba? Ganda. Quick recap lang tayo guys for this house tour. So we're inside Greenwoods Executive Village in Pasig City. So this house stands on a 109 square meter lot area with a floor area of 210. It has 2-car garage, 3 bedrooms, and 4 toilet and bath. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ating pwedeng maging 4th bedroom or isang malaking master's bedroom. So the asking price for this property is just 16 million pesos, but the best part is 500,000 lang po ang ating required down payment. Yes, tama po kayo. Another 500,000 down payment for this amazing house. So, if you have further questions, nag-add na po kami. Meron na po kaming Viber, we also have WhatsApp, and we also have Telegram for our Filipinos based abroad. Lahat po yan gumagana. And please follow us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and of course, YouTube. Malapit na po kaming mag 6,000 subscribers. Next milestone po natin is 10,000. So, maraming salamat and see you on the next one. Peace!